Hello and welcome to today's class. We'll be looking at the concept of converting or how to draw orthographic back to isometric. So we'll be given an orthographic projection. We'll now have to convert that orthographic projection back to isometric. What is your first things first to put in place? As you can see the question displayed on the right hand side of the screen, I want to reproduce out this figure. What do I need to put in place? Although this figure or this diagram shown at the right hand side of the screen is an orthographic projection, so I want to use these orthographic informations to produce back the isometric, right? So as we know, isometric gives you orthographic. It is still possible that orthographic can still give you back that same isometric. Let's see the isometric shape of this orthographic projection here. So my very first task here is to draw my isometric axis, right? So I'll try to draw my isometric axis. So I'll just take my square here. So come down here, I'll draw perhaps a vertical line this way. Come here, I'll draw a vertical line this way. A faint one, right, as you can see. I'll take this one this way. I'll draw a line this way. A faint line. Now come here, and I'll cover the line this way. Alright, I have this place. So my next task now, before I proceed, is to get the length, breadth, and height. The length of this figure, as you can see my arrow indicating, is of course 40 plus 40, that's 80, plus 30, that's 110, right? Alright, so I'm going to get the length, which is 40 plus 40 plus 30, as you can see my arrow indicating, which is what? 110, right? So 110. So I'll take my ruler and measure 110. So if you observe that the thing is facing this part here, this direction, so measure 110. 110. That's of course, this is 110 here, right? My 110. Next task there, the breadth there is of course 20 plus 20 plus 20. That's 60. So I'll come here, measure 60. 60, right? So 60, this point 60, right? This is my 60. And the entire height of that figure is 40 plus 20. As you can see my arrow indicating, 40 with 20 gives you 60. So that's the entire height of the figure. So come here and measure out the 60 this way. So with this dot here, I'll take this one upward, the faint line this way. I'll come and take this one upward, the faint line. I want to get a box, so take this one this way. I'll join this point with this one. Take this one this way round. I'll join this with this, right? Similarly, I'll take this one downward this way, and then finally I'll close here up this way. Alright, I have this place. I have the box. So it's from this box, that diagram you are seeing, that orthography is being carved out for, right? So first things first, my first task, I'll start with a plan. I'll start with my arrow as indicating. There's a part that has 20, 20, 20. So I'll do the same. I'll come here, measure 20, 20, another 20. Automatically from here to here gives you 20. So I'll take this point downward. So observe. I'll take here down faint line inward. I'll take here down faint line this way. How good? My next task there is that if you observe closely, If you observe closely, my next task obviously from here is to measure 40. That is, observe that there's a part here that has 40, as you can see I'm already indicating that 40. So I measure 40, so this is 40. So that 40, I'll take the line inward this way, the fifth line too. Inward this way, the fifth line. Alright, I'm done with this first part. Second part now is that the height, there's a height, a thickness of 20. As you can see, I already indicated 20 there. So measure 20 as a height thickness, 20. Measure 20. So from here to here gives you 20. Right? That's the first task. 20 has been measured. If you observe again that there's a length of 40 from here, like the thickness of that part is 40. So still measure 40 this way. And then I will get a box. There's a box there. So first, I will go this 20 first. 20 this way, right? So I'll take my first square. I'll take this one down, fifth line, and I'll take this one. So I'll take this one here, up, this way, right? Similarly, I'll take this way, and then I will take it up, this way. Alright, I have this. If you observe very well, there is a part there's a connection this way and this way down to this. As you can see, I'm indicating that part, right? That's the line there. So get that line that connect them together. Since we said year to year is 20, 20, 20, I'll do the same here. So the same here. 20 here, 40 and 60. So it means I'll join this part and this together with this. So join this with this. I'll join this with the other part, this one this way. So I have this, right? So I'll take in some parts that are important. So I'll take in this part. I'll take in this part. So I'll take in this part. Right, I'll also take in this part here. So next up, I'll take in this part. I'll take in this part here too. I'll close this part here up, the thick line. I will also take this part here too. It's a thick line. Now I'll take this one here. Cover this one here too with a thick line this way, right? So I have a split. Next procedure, taking this part here too, right? So I'll take in this part here too, this way, right? So I have this one. So I'll close this part here up. Sorry, close here up this way. So I have this piece. Not yet done. Not yet done. So at this junction here, I will take this line here downward. I'll take this one here. Downward this way, right? So I'll take here 20. So since I'll take here down this way as 20. I'll take here down here 20. Alright. So I'll take in this part here. I'll take in this part here to this. Right, so close this part up. I'll close this part up this way. Similarly, I'll take this way. I'll thicken this part, and then I'll also come this way. I'll thicken this part here. So I'll close this part here to up. Alright, so I'll take this way. So I'll ensure this goes down, faint line first, and then I'll use this to join that faint line with this to put up the thick line, and then I can now successfully thicken this part here. Alright, I'll do this way. I'll take this to join this part here, to join this one. So this is the isometric projection of that figure you are seeing that is displayed at the right hand side of the screen. So this is how to draw the isometric of that figure. See you guys in our next video.